పర్యటనలో చంద్రబాబు పాల్గొన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
This wonderful opportunity. Jai Hind.
మన నాయకులు మన స్విట్జర్లాండ్ వచ్చారండి. వాట్ ఏ బ్లడ్ బర్నింగ్ మూమెంట్ టు బి హానెస్ట్. అండ్ ఈ ఈవెంట్ ఇంత సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా అవ్వడానికి ఒక కమిటీ, వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెయిన్ కమిటీ మెంబర్స్ కృష్ణ వల్లూరి గారు, ఆల్సో ఆర్సీ ఆఫ్ టీడీపీ, హీల్ బి అవర్ నెక్స్ట్ స్పీకర్, అండ్ Gautam Nikkanti garu, who is a social media coordinator of TDP Switzerland. He would be co-assisting him during this speech, and it is on the topic of investment opportunities for Telugu in Europe and Swiss in India.
Namaste. Thank you, Uchula garu. And Sivin garu, it's an honor to be on this stage with you, Andy, and everyone here. I'm sure everyone will agree that we are here where we are because of our parents, our education by the teachers that we have been given, and sorry, you. Thank you for making this difference. Thank you very much. And Lokesh garu, 2-3 years ago, I met you as an individual contributor to TDP. He convinced me that individual approach is not right. And I disagreed then, I agree today. Thank you, it made a lot of difference. Ram Mohan Naidu garu, Mugguru MPlto, thank you for showing what AP can talk. When you are honest in your heart, you meant it. And everyone in the Europe, right? They say this is us. This is us, not the 20 other people who are not talking. Thank you. Thank you. Bharat garu, we are really looking forward, Andy, to revolutionize. Sorry, my English got the better of me. We are looking for the next 5 years under your guidance in the industries. Thank you, Andy. Thanks for this. So, welcome everyone to Zurich. It's quite cold, I realize that, but we are going to keep the emotions high today. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show the investment opportunities and how this is all my experience in the last 2 months when EDB approached me to see how we can gather investment things. So whatever I'm saying is my perspective, and I'm sure there are multiple perspectives. I would like to collate all of this for the best of AP. So who am I? I have left India in 98. Just after Cyber Towers was inaugurated. Cyber Towers was my emotion. I was working in L&T at the time, and I was a fan of Vajpayee garu and CVN garu. The 3 dimensions made me buy a ticket after working very hard in part-time jobs to come from London to SR Nagar and travel on the Ghat roads of Jubilee Hills, which are no longer Ghat roads. And we wondered, why did he do this here? Honest, hand on heart, we had no visionary thing like you had. Because my friends were applying jobs in STPI in Yusuf Kuda. And Cyberbad is the only one that has, at the moment, Cyber Towers and Silparamam. Those were the only 2 landmarks over there. But now we realize, sir, Vision 2020 is fulfilled, not completely, for many reasons that we are all are aware of. But I hope Vision 2047, the people of Andhra, please give a good mandate for the next 10-15 years to come. So I am an entrepreneur here. I'm a struggling entrepreneur, I would say. One of them was successful. The other 2 are still going on. I'm learning a lot. I'm happy where I am. With the support of my wife and children, they let me do 40 hours or 80 hours a week sometimes. Thank you. I'm really passionate about people of AP, really. If you can bring 2 employment opportunities, that will change the landscape if each one of us bring. So I really want to share, I hope you'll share the enthusiasm with me and the passion on that front. AP needs us. AP needs united Telugu people. We have differences. We will have differences. That's the beauty of us. But we should stand united and help AP. In 2015, CBN Garu had a vision to create jobs from job employees. He never thought that the employees has to stay employees. He wanted us to become entrepreneurs. And that vision was shared by 2015 NRTs that were created in NRI TDP, NR Telugu Society, etc. Unfortunately, it took a hit in the last 5 years. Now is the time to revamp it and reignite it. And let us do it. There are opportunities for sure. When I talk to people here, NRIs here everywhere, in the last 2 weeks, I know many of you who reached out. I was bombarded with the calls, which actually made me very happy that there are people willing to come to AP. But again, there's a lot of unknowns in that. They need information. They need more fast accelerate the process. So in this next 2 slides, I will explain you what I have done and then I'll conclude. Let us do baby steps. Let's do simple steps. First of all, target the expansion-minded companies. You may be working in a company like Microsoft or any other pharma companies that have. You may be hearing that they want to expand their footprint to Slovakia or so on. But ask them a question to say, did you consider AP? You will never know how, you'll be glad that you have asked, because they may say yes. But you're in no better position if you didn't ask it. No is a good answer. Now, again, if you're interested in, if you're liking some products that you have been using here, think about taking them to India. And that is a niche opportunity that you can develop on as well. And more importantly, assist Indian-based companies